Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Terry Gituku, shamelessly back again with another video. You know, it's been so long. I hope Echo has kick sana. Decided to take a video here because I'm waiting for my rice, you see mom, because I have to go right now, but I'll be back later from home. So it's been a very long since I was here in the YouTube space, because this is an excuse that I keep on saying every time, but YouTube space is very hard, especially if you're a young YouTuber. Manze, it's very hard, especially if you're not seeing growth in your channel. It's hard being consistent. So because I'm waiting for my rice, isima alafu na nimaliza na nipate shughuli saizi. So then why not pick the camera and say hi to you guys shamelessly. So this is my dress code for today because I'm going to pick a few things. Oh, don't mind the setup. Niko kwa kitchen. I'm going to pick some few things. Nenda nafika tao, nichukue, nitoke, nifike TRM, nichukue the rest. I come back home so that it will take approximately 1 hour kama sitapata jam. So yeah, I actually have no story or nothing. So I just missed you guys and I wanted to talk to you, so that's why I decided to pick up the camera vlog right now. Say hi with no excuse of being inconsistency, inconsistency, with no excuse at all, because but YouTube space is hard, especially if you are a young YouTuber. Hiyo ni ngumu, hiyo nimesema, because I'm not seeing growth, so I'm demotivated. Anyways, what story can I give you today? So what have I been up to? Hiyo ni story ya kila saa. Every time when I feel like every time when I get into YouTube, kila saa inakwanga, what have I been up to? Okay, what have I been up to really? Ooh. The glow. What have I been up to? Nimekuwa nikishikilia kamjei flani. I'm going to leave a video right here, somewhere here, down or here, I don't know. Every time I point here inakuanga the other side. Every time I point the other side inakuanga isi. So I don't know, but somewhere hapa too, either this side or this side, touch a video, you see what I've been up to. So kumekuwa na mjengo inaendelea, so I've been taking care of it responsibly, and it has been smooth till right now. Nikuisha inaisha. That's why I think that's what I've been caught up by, doing that, supervising, if I may say. Yeah, and everything has gone on well. I've gained a lot of skills in G, by the way. Come on, you need someone, some advice, holla at your girl. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Nimekuanga na kazi ya mjei hapa na pale, kuendea vitu, kujua vitu, it must be there. Then in the midst, I've been having a lot of fun here, I must admit. So this video totally is going to be about the places I've been up to recently, like the Nairobi restaurants. Yeah. So my last upload, I think, near Hidden Gem, right? Yeah, so Hidden Gem is not a bad place. Let's talk about Nairobi restaurants that have been up to, that have visited. Okay, why am I talking like that? The ones that have visited. So okay, I did a vlog about Hidden Gem, right? And kama says you I just clicked my previous video. You're going to see it is a very beautiful place, I must admit. But one thing about that place, what did I told you about the service. The service is quite poor because you have to wait so long ili mkuje msaviwe. To the food, no, that's not a place that you can go to have some good fine lunch or fine dining. That's a no. That's not a place to go to eat, same able to. That place is good with your wines. They do have nice cocktails though, and nice wine. Of late I've been visiting places that I regret, because me, I'm into for some good food, good music, good ambience, and good vibe. So then we went to, okay, that was one Hidden Gem. Then my friend and I decided to go to Spaso Lounge. Whether they call it Spaso or Spaso. Either way, tuliendanga kwa Spaso Lounge. At first, the ambience is pretty well. The music is good, it's awesome. But I think we went on a bad day where we didn't enjoy the group of people who are there. Where we didn't enjoy the ambience was quite okay, but we didn't enjoy the group of people who were there. It was most of the young kids, so the vibe was, let's say the vibe was us. Okay, to me, according to me, I wasn't quite pissed off with the vibe because I vibe with what's going on, so I flow with the vibe, that is. But my friend hakubambika. So to me the vibe was quite like 7 out of 10. To her was 4 because I got so pissed. The food hata vibe haikuwa kitu. Food it was pathetic. I mean, that place is quite bougie, but food, mi sijui kwa nini. Of like these places that has nice names, I'm going to leave videos here and there, places nataja. This place that has nice names or great views on Instagram and quite a huge number, quite a huge following, you get to find that their food is a work. So the food in Spaso, okay, you ordered some chicken, I think. I'm going to leave a video. For me it was chicken. Aki ilikuwa na chumvi mingi gari. From chicken to fries, everything was salty, man. Hata huwezi maliza, hata huwezi, you just can't have like 3 bites. Unaboeka na hiyo chakula. Salty, everything was salty. The good thing about even my friend's food was so salty. We had to complain about that. I hope they change for the next people going to go there. Yeah, because the food was a work. Because we couldn't feel the taste because it was too salty. You don't really differentiate if it was nice or it was just over salted. So that's a no. And the good thing about that place is the happy hour cocktails. We really enjoyed the happy hour cocktails. If you want to go there, you're going to enjoy the happy hour cocktails. That's a win. And the mimosa, I had my mimosa. It wasn't bad. Ilikuwa tu hapo. You can't complain. So the cocktails there, we give it like a 9. Or even a 10 to the nice place. The vibe, the cocktails, yeah. The food, no. Just go there when you're full, please. Usina ya manja, utaboeka na chakula tu. So that was Spaso. Yeah, I'm going to leave a video. By now I'm sure my own video. So the next place we went was a place in Kilimani called the Uptown Local. Yeah. So the Uptown Local, it was my friend's suggestion though. It's not far from town, but okay, if you're taking an Uber, it's fast. It's not far from town, that is, or there's no jam along that route. No. To Lavington to Kilimani, there's no jam. So Uptown Local, how can I say that? The place is full of good vibes. If you're a chilled person, the place is full of good vibes. Kama unataka vibes, that's your place to go. But for me personally, my friend I think loves the vibe of that place. Mimi music yao, the taste in their music was boring. So boring. So boring. I don't know if it's that day we went, ilikuwa inacheza tu ma TBT manini, but the whole time sitting from the time we entered till the time we were leaving, the music was a work. Miss Kuba, hakuna ile hype ya club ukienda, because the music, it's giving a restaurant vibe. Yes, I understand it's also a restaurant, but it's the club side, it's giving a restaurant vibe, which is not supposed to be like that. So about the music, no, but their food, ciao. The food was nice. It was really, really nice. The chicken was well cooked. The food was really, really nice. So I've complained a lot about food every time I go to the past times that I've gone to these places. But this time I'm sorry, so I didn't complain about food. Food iko sawa, kila kitu iko tamu. Yeah, we enjoyed our food. The drinks are quite affordable. Yeah, they don't have cocktails, they don't have happy hour. they messed us up because I'm more of cocktails and wine. Yeah, so there was no happy hour. So but we enjoyed the food. The bad thing about the place is the music. Very bad choice of music though. And my favorite chilling spot along Thika Road, I don't know if I should mention it. That's where I've been chilling for the past few weeks since I came to enter that place. I didn't. It is around here, but sikwa ingia. But I love the place. The one thing about that place, and you'll find it boyke to overprice your drinks, of which that is okay because we raised the issue to the person in charge. Sidhani kama huyo kijana anaweza jaribu hivyo tena. So that place has very nice food, very nice meat, very nice cocktails. That's why I call it my chilling place, because I enjoy the vibe there, the music, the food, the drinks, the cocktails. They don't have happy hour though, but their cocktail is bussing. Yeah. So that's what I've been up to till now. So my food is cooking, my food is simmering, my rice. Yeah, I feel ni kama iko sawa nataka kuitoa. So let me leave you guys till the next video. Right now I need to rush to town. I need to get some products from my Happy V in Odeon. Yeah, because a girl must take care of her girl. Yeah, so I need to go for those products. I need to collect my package in TRM. That's what I'm up to right now, and it's currently 4 p.m. and they close in town. They close at 6, so I still have time. Lakini sitaki kusleki nikuti imefunga, so I need to go right now, finish everything. I'm going to give you a little snippet of that place right here. Can you do it a follow too? Yeah, so then I go to TRM, pick my package. Then I think I'll come back home because I see ni kama niko na shughuli nyingine around Resambu. Because I was to go see my cousin in Ziwamon, but kimeni bakoisha form. Sorry. So I think I'll go to Soko, get some minji. I miss minji. I eat with my rice. We eat with the rice. That's it for today. That's my plan currently. Today has been a boring season. It has been a very, very chill day. Can't complain because I've rested. Yeah, but I need to rush right now because nikiendelea kusleki hivi inaona nikastaenda. So let me just go. Then tomorrow I'll have to make my nails. Tomorrow is on Saturday. Form day na jiletanga. So till the next video. The next video is probably going to see this video right now and see the next video much later or today na kesho, depending on the editing time. So till the next video, bye. Remember to watch my previous videos. Remember to subscribe to keep me here because a girl is tired. This YouTube space is pressuring her because there's no growth in this YouTube space. So kindly share my videos, subscribe, show some love, make me stay here, make me grow here because I'm back. I think I'm back to this YouTube space officially. Yeah. Bye till the next video. Take care.